Wondering what goals I did this month? Did I hit the goals that I set out to reach? It's that time of the month where I share with you my monthly goal updates and what I am setting as goals for next month. Hi, I'm Trina, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs like you get started on YouTube to grow your business. Every Friday, I do a little Fry diary here on my channel just to kind of show you behind the scenes and just to get to know me a little bit more. And on the first Friday of the month, I do a video where I share with you my goal progress. So what I completed of my goals that I set out for the prior month and what goals I'm setting for this month. This video is also in collaboration with Ashlyn Carter over at Ashlyn Writes. I will link her channel down below, and also Allie Danae Walker of the Social Walker Agency. This is just a way for us to show other business owners the kind of goals we're setting and what we do if maybe we don't reach our goals, or what we do if we reach our goals and how we celebrate. For me, May was kind of a busy month. I did a sprint week where I worked all day and I worked some late nights because we are going on vacation in June. And I wanted to really get a head start of some of the bigger projects that I have due in July. I wanted to be able to spend my week on vacation with my family, not worrying too much about work, but I also have a launch coming up in July. So if you know, I have a signature program, YouTube Bootcamp, that will be launched at the end of July. And I'm also going to be hosting a challenge leading up to it. So I've got to get those challenge videos, which I filmed today. I got to get those challenge videos filmed, those emails written, the ads done, all that extra stuff so that I can make sure the challenge goes off without a hitch. So I'm going to pull off my tending list, which is right here. And a lot of my overall goals were completed. But what happened was I was so focused on my big goals, like filming 20 videos, completing all the launch copy, doing SOPs for a client, and finishing a project that's coming out so soon. I'm so excited. That's basically what I focused on. So a lot of the daily goals kind of got left in the dust. Like 10,000 steps, I didn't work out every day this month like I set out to. I think I made it to day 9. I was tracking my progress on my Instagram stories and kind of fell off the wagon there. But thus is life. Sometimes things just don't happen. I was really focused on completing these big projects first. I also set out to post 5 videos a week on YouTube, and the second to last week of May, I didn't. I was really just exhausted. I was doing that sprint week of working late that I ended up not even going live and doing channel reviews on Thursday, and then I didn't do a Fry diary that week either. How I see it is, you know what, I have to do what's good for me and my health, and if I'm just not feeling it, I don't want to show up here on YouTube on a video that I'm just not feeling it. I want to give you quality content that I'm passionate about, and if I'm not in it, my head's not in it, I'm tired, it's just not going to be good content for you. So I'd rather just not post that day. That's why I still haven't really figured out what my posting schedule is going to be. I like doing the Fry diaries. I also like doing the channel reviews. So let me know down below, do you like these videos? Do you like me doing live channel reviews? Do you like these Fry diaries? Because I'm really trying to determine, is it worth the extra work? I like doing it, but I want to make sure you're getting something out of it. So leave the comment Fry diaries if you like Fry diaries, and leave the comment lives if you like the lives down in the comments below. So you'll see I didn't do so hot with these goals. At least the monthly goals were completed. So moving into June, like I said, I got a lot going on. I've got 2 weeks before vacation, so I'm trying to get a lot of stuff checked off the list, like landing pages, thank you pages, monthly reports for clients, getting a Facebook Live strategy, because here's one thing I'm going to share with you. If you ever want to have a Facebook ad strategy, it's really going to be important for you to kind of grow a following on your Facebook page prior to launching. So try to go live as much as possible. I've been going live every single week for the past month, and starting at the end of June, I'm going to be going live 4 to 5 days a week to really boost that engagement on my Facebook page to help my ads. And also what is big happening in June is I'm getting a VA. She's done some work for me in May, but she's coming down to my house the first Monday of the month, and we're really going to break down what she's taking over. I've got giant Post-its, of course, me not have Post-its. I got giant Post-its. We're going to throw these Post-its up on the board, up on the wall, and really walk through what her tasks are going to be, what she's going to learn. She's brand new to this online world. She's also a mom. She was my neighbor before we moved. And so I'm giving her this opportunity to really build her own business because her kids are starting to go back to school and she's not sure what she wants to do and she feels like she needs a purpose. And as I gave her this opportunity, she felt like this is what she needed. So I'm really excited to show her the online world way and get her started to get some of this stuff off my plate. I just wrote down all the things going through my head to make sure I get it all out. So my monthly goals this month is I do monthly audits for a client. We have about 20 some clients of his, and our goal is to get them done by the 10th of the month. My goal this month is to get them done by the 8th. We hit the 9th last month, so I'm really shooting for the 8th. I'm also planning to get all of my challenge content done, all my webinar content done, all my launch video strategies. So the videos I'm going to be posting on YouTube are all going to be leading into my launch. So I'm hoping to get all of that content done, as well as affiliate content, my Facebook Live, and my newsletter content. I don't want to be having to write a newsletter in the middle of a challenge or in the middle of my launch. And for me, I've really been struggling with daily goals. It's hard for me to get into a daily routine. I still have a teething child, so getting up and working out and having morning time just isn't in the cards for me. So if you have any ideas of daily goals to work on, this month I just have try 10 minutes of meditation, drink more water, and try to shut down at 5. And some weekly goals for me is to engage in a mastermind / accountability program I join. Really plan my live events for my YouTube bootcamp because I'm really taking this program to the next level with live content every single month, guest experts every single month. So I'm really focusing on that. I want to know, what goals do you have for June? We're getting really close to Q3 and the second half of the year, and I'm about to go back and revise some of my yearly goals that I had, see what I completed. So I'd love to hear how your journey is going. If you want to watch more of my Fry Diaries and see behind the scenes, make sure you click at the playlist that is on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe for more monthly updates on my goals. Thanks for watching.